Welcome back to another interesting tutorial about TikTok video editing app. And in today's video, I will show you how to add overlay to your pre-recorded video in TikTok app before you post the video on your TikTok profile. Let me show you how. Just like what you see on the screen of this video, let me place this video. Then you see a pop-up of a image with animation right here, and the same thing as this. So let's go back and replay the video again, just like so. If this is exactly you want to learn how to do without having any external software with your TikTok app, you can get this thing done without any stress. Let me show you how. The very first thing I'm going to do is to go ahead. I'm going to start all over. So for that, I'm going to exit from this part right here, and then I'll go ahead and make sure I open up my TikTok app right here. Then having opened up my TikTok app, next thing I'm going to do is to go ahead and click on this plus sign right here. The next thing I'm going to do is to go ahead and make sure I import my video. And for that, go ahead and click on this icon next to your camera. The next thing you want to do is to go ahead and make sure you navigate to videos. So in this regard, I'm going to select a particular video from the template, from the video gallery right here. I'm going to select this particular video. I will go ahead and click on next. The next thing I'm going to do right here is to go ahead and import the video to the inbuilt editor in TikTok. For that, I'm going to go ahead and click on here. So here we go. So here we can trim some parts that we don't want and adjust the video frame. First thing first, I'm going to adjust the video frame. For that, I'm going to select the video and I will increase and drag as much as possible until I'm satisfied with the video frame and the screen right here. So I'm going to adjust as much as possible. So just like so, I'm satisfied with this part of the video, and I'm going to go ahead and make sure I click on split right here. I will select on this and click on delete. Now I have the video right here. So let's play the video. So the video is going to start from here, and then it can be any long or any duration of the video. It can be as long as possible. So I'm going to split this again, click on split right here, and then I'm going to go ahead and make sure I select this, and I'll make sure I delete it. Now I have this short clip right here. Now let's play the video right here. So now let's see how we can overlay and add different animation and effect into this particular video before we go ahead and post the video into our TikTok app. So for that, I'm going to go ahead and make sure the video was not selected, and I will come down below right here. I will slide this way. So slide down right here, and then go ahead and make sure you click on overlay right here. So if you click on overlay, it's going to take you back to your gallery right here. You can overlay video, you can overlay screenshot, you can overlay picture, as the case may be. Now I'm going to go ahead and navigate to photos right here. So under the photo section, so here you can select the photo you want to use in your phone. So I'm going to select this product picture right here. I'm going to click on confirm, just like so. Now you can only select one overlay at a time, but you can add as many as possible overlay to your video. So for that, so I'm going to adjust the picture size, just dragging and adjust the picture based on whatever you want to achieve. So I'm going to position the picture right over here. Now I can adjust the duration of the picture. For that, come down below here and drag in as much as possible. So here, it means that from this point here, when the video plays to this side, this picture is going to pump up. Now, how do we add animation to it? Go ahead and select the overlay, then slide in down below right here and click on animation. Then you have different templates for animation that you can use. You have slide in and at the right. So I'm going to select this animation right here, just like so. I'm not satisfied with that. I'm going to go ahead and test on the first one right here. It's not cool. I'm going to test on this. I'm satisfied with that. Then go ahead and adjust the duration of the animation, just like so. Then go ahead and hit on OK. Now let's play the video from the point right here. Once it's going to this part, you have the picture pumping up right here. So this is for picture. You can as well overlay a video in this regard. Maybe you are talking about something and then you want to quickly show screen when you are talking to them and record another video in that regard. So for that, go ahead and make sure nothing was selected and your overlay is going to pump up right here. Go ahead and click on this overlay right here. Click on add overlay. So this time around, I want to add video. So go ahead and click on video from your phone album. Then I'm going to go ahead and select this screen record video right here. Hit on confirm. So once I hit on confirm, it's going to load up just like what you see right here. Then I'm going to adjust the video size. Video frame size needs to be adjusted. Then position the video where you want it to be. So I'm going to position it this way. So it does not block my face and neither does it block my hand. So I'm going to, so let's say we want to play the video. So right here, just like so. And then that is a short screen recording video right here. So this one video right here also, we can as well add an animation for that. We slide this way and we hit on animation. So once you click on animation, we can decide what type of animation this video should come up with. So let's take a look at one right here, just like so. And let's take a look at this. So I'm satisfied with this one right here. I will just reduce the duration of the animation, just like so, and hit on OK. And then let's play the video all over from the beginning right here. Just like so. Just like so. Then you can, like I said, you can add as many as possible overlay. Let's go ahead and add another overlay. Make sure nothing was selected. That is only when you can see the overlay button. Go ahead and click on overlay. So this time around, I want to add another video as the overlay. So I'm going to select this video right here, hit on confirm. This video here is a very long video. No matter how length of the video, you can add as many as possible overlay into your TikTok video without any hassle. So allow the video to load completely and it's going to open up in TikTok. Just like so, we have the video right here. So you can see the video is quite long than the other ones right here. So what we want to do now is that we want to make sure we adjust the video frame right here. So I'm going to drag the frame right here. So I'm going to drag the frame and then position it right here, which simply means that when I'm talking, the video is going to be displayed from my face right here. So let's take a look at this video right here. It's being played and then you see the screen recording of a video is also going to be displayed right over here. Let's see. Just like what you see right here, this is a screen record and then you can see, so you can be teaching someone and at the same time it appear just like what you see in this video right here. It's that simple. Once you are done with everything you want to add as far as overlay is concerned, you can add music, you can add different kind of effect. Let's adjust this particular one right here. So we can as well add effects to this. So I'm going to go ahead and click on animation. Then I'm going to go ahead and look for a kind of this type of animation here, just like so, and I click on OK. Now let's play the video right here, just like so. And the video play over. Is that simple. Just like so. It's that simple. Once you are done with every editing you want to do, that is next you want to do is to go ahead and hit on this particular post icon. And it's going to take you right here. Go ahead and add your caption, add your hashtag, and hit on post. It's that simple. And the video will be successfully posted to your profile on TikTok. For more useful tutorial, tips and tricks on how best to use your TikTok app like this, consider to subscribe. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope to see you in my next video.